Hi guys, Mark 2 of my basic aeroplane, one of these ones that you can clip out and clip together. Oh, that's a little bit warm, it's still gripping. A few minor changes to version 1. The most obvious one is I've added some wheels, so they'll go into those holes in the wing. I've also put my name along there, GrandadIsAnOldMan, put my logo up there. It was already on the wing. You might notice little dimples there, or little bits sticking up. That's to make them a tight fit in the holes, in the slots, without just making the whole thing thicker. So just the 2 little pegs there, and 3 little pegs there, so that when you push it through, it will slide up to there easily, and then the last little bit will be a tight fit. Well, that's the theory. So we'll take that apart and put it together. So we'll see how long it takes to put Mark 2 together, or version 2. Right. This isn't based on any particular aeroplane. This was just throwing some shapes together in Tinkercad. Oh, let's see whether the wheels fit. That's probably the most important change. Oh, they're a bit tight. But they fit. Oh, of course we can't put the other one on until we've put it in. Okay, so it slides up to there, and then it's tighter just there. That's still a bit looser than I'd have liked it, but that's definitely an improvement. Same with the tail. Which way round do we want the tail? That's the way I designed it, but to be honest, it'll look just as good that way round, wouldn't it? Yeah, that's still a bit looser than I had in mind. Oh, that's annoying. Well, I won't bore you with a version 3 print, but I will adjust that a bit. Nope. Dropped it on the floor. Right, that one. Yeah, you see, those are a nice tight fit. They're just right. Those are perfect, in fact, I would say. But the tail is definitely loose in there for what I want. Oh, that is annoying. I thought I'd thicken that up, putting those extra little bits in. That one's working, but the tail is definitely loose. How about the propeller? Didn't change that, so that should be absolutely fine. So we're still going to need a little bit of glue there to hold that tight. But that does work. It does all go together. And we've got the logo on the tail and Grandad is an old man written along the side. But I need to put a bit of glue on this one. Curses. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.